This is an outer diameter grinder. The accuracy can reach 2 meters. This machine has a matching flange wrench, a pair of rollers, a pressure roller, one angle repair operation, one arc repair knife seat, a set of green diagonal wrenches, one white steel jade grinding wheel, one diamond pin, 2 enamel screws and enamel gaskets, 4 in the bottom corner, 2 open wrenches, 1 movable wrench, 1 cross screwdriver. It is exchangeable. Across, word for word. It is exchangeable. A toolbox. A set of paddles. There is also a water tank equipped with a water pump. You can also choose a vacuum cleaner. Now let's start clamping. To put on top, go to the top of the roller and press this roller. There is a top material positioning at the back. Can be adjusted arbitrarily. Position behind. This is the left and right knife. Back and forth. Then this is clockwise. And this is the knife feeding. You align the center of the wheel. Loosen this here, the handle. Lift it up. After loosening, this is used for lifting. It's a 45-degree dial. This can be adjusted. Slightly adjusted spinner lever. 1 on each side. This is the power supply. Turn it on. Here is the motor. This is the scroll wheel. The switch of the cooling device. Cooling the left fold reducer motor. This is the guide rail oil and fork oil. Tira. Automatic rebound. Now take a look at how we disassembled this one. This Farah helper is stuck here. Just knock it down here and it will come out loose.